So, starting with the heart of the irrigation system is our clean RO that goes through the dab pumps up through a disc filter. Up and to each room, we have two, one for RO, one for batch tank, and the RO will go up to each flower room and the veg room. Show you what's up. They're tapped in so that we have just RO coming from the diffuser, staying at 10 psi, coming up through the rooms, dropping down on each row and on to each set of beds, and onto each bed we have a set of drip tape that helped us set up. Coop, each of these sensors is rocking and rolling. We have been in this facility now for almost a full calendar year. Things are crushing, showing good numbers, both on the water, on the plant health. Honest to God, this is my video to help show how much more you can do with this kind of irrigation than hand feeding. I have been hand feeding my entire life, and I can solemnly say that I don't think I could replicate this on the same scale. These plants are day 18 and already bigger than my thumb. By the end of the harvest, these things are trees. And now once the roots are set, don't have to change the irrigation whatsoever. It's good to go. It's locked in. It's what we want. It's what we're trying to get. We got cover crop that's been helping. These cones have been sturdy. They've been doing us good. The drip line has been surviving the wear over the last year. The plants are getting gigantic, mean, and green. So thank you, Blumat. Thank you, Sustainable Village, for helping us get sustained here. Thank you for the easy understanding on how to use this system, how to plug and play from really anywhere we go. We're doing lowers this week, as you can see. So we're about to clean everything up and send it into its next phase of glory. I'll show you guys the veg room as well as the other flower room to show you really how big and beautiful you can get these things. And when in doubt, you can always have your feed tank separate with a hose to do your once per week things. This is not rocket science. This is plants. Plants do the work for us. We help them do the work. This is one of the best tools that you can have in your system. I put my foot on it.